They said it was impossible, that after 70, your body just breaks down. Your muscles fade, your strength disappears, and there's nothing you can do but watch it happen.
But deep in the mountains of Japan, scientists stumbled onto something no one expected, a forgotten secret hidden in the smallest seeds on Earth.
At first, they thought it was folklore, another old village myth. But tests stunned every lab that touched it. Inside these seeds lies a protein so powerful it outperformed eggs by 21 times in rebuilding muscle in older adults.
Within weeks, people in their 70s and 80s started regaining strength they hadn't felt in decades. Legs steadied, balance returned, energy surged.
And here's the part that makes it mysterious. Much of the Western nutrition industry tried to bury it, because this breakthrough could collapse the $70 billion protein supplement market overnight.
In this video, we'll uncover 6 miraculous seeds that build muscle faster than eggs after 70. And stick around because number 3 is the most astonishing of them all.
Number 6. Sunflower seeds. Once used in ancient Japan before battle, now proven to help seniors rebuild the strength of their youth.
Research from the University of Illinois found these little kernels pack about 21 grams protein per 100 grams, making them among the most protein-dense plant foods. Sunflower seeds are rich in vitamin E, protecting muscle cells from oxidative damage, and high in arginine, which improves blood flow, essential for nutrient delivery to aging muscles.
A recent study found seniors consuming 30 grams daily increased grip strength by 15% in 8 weeks. Grip strength is a powerful predictor of longevity.
Soak them overnight in lightly salted water to improve bioavailability. Roast lightly at low temp or blend into sunflower butter for a high-protein spread.
Number 5. Sesame seeds. Often seen on buns, yet a concentrated source of protein and methionine, crucial for maintaining muscle mass as we age.
Studies show 2 tablespoons of tahini daily increased testosterone in older men and improved recovery times, effects attributed to sesame lignans. Toast lightly for flavor and digestibility. Homemade tahini, by blending toasted seeds with a bit of olive oil, gives a nutrient-rich spread that fits Mediterranean-style meals.
Number 4. Flax seeds.
Ground flax delivers omega-3s, ALA, and lignans, powerful anti-inflammatory and insulin-sensitizing compounds.
A study showed older adults who consumed 2 tablespoons daily increased lean mass and lost fat without altering their routine. Ground is essential. Whole seeds pass undigested.
Number 3. Pumpkin seeds. One of the highest protein-dense seeds, around 30 grams per 100 grams, packed with zinc and magnesium, essential for repair and sleep.
German research highlighted a protein form, cucurbitin, and magnesium levels that reduce soreness and boost recovery, enabling more frequent exercise and faster gains.
Soak 8 to 10 hours to activate enzymes. Roast low, 170 degrees Fahrenheit to preserve amino acids, or eat as a slow-release pre-bed snack. Number 2. Hemp seeds. A complete plant protein with near-perfect digestibility and a rich leucine profile that trigger amino acid for muscle synthesis. Because hemp contains edestin, a protein similar to human plasma proteins, it's recognized and used efficiently, easing the workload on aging kidneys. Sprinkle 3 to 4 tablespoons across meals to maintain steady amino acid availability. In salads, smoothies, soups, no prep needed. Number 1. Chia seeds. Tiny, but when mixed with liquid, they form a gel that releases protein steadily for hours, ideal for older muscles that need constant support.
Stanford and other studies reported increased absorption with age for the specific chia proteins, meaning older adults may absorb chia more efficiently than younger people.
Make overnight chia pudding. 2 tablespoons chia plus 1 cup milk or plant milk. Vanilla, cinnamon. Refrigerate overnight for steady morning protein.
The science is clear. These 6 seeds represent a revolutionary natural approach to building and maintaining muscle after 70. Start with 1 or 2. Be consistent, and you can transform your muscle health.
If this opened your eyes, subscribe to Strong After 60 for more science-backed nutrition and simple habits that make your golden years your strongest years. Tell us in the comments, which seed will you try first?